What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another brand new diecast unboxing for you. We should have 7 new releases here. We got some 2025 race winnings right there. We got some 2026 cars down there. We're going to take them out one at a time, take a look, see what we can get into. You see 2 of them right there, but I'm going to move the box and we'll get into them one at a time, but we'll start off with the ones you saw. Because first up, Austin Dillon's number 3 Richmond win 2025 Bass Pro Shops Winchester Deer Season number 3 Chevrolet for RCR. And of course, this one's famous for the milkshake spillage, as you see there on the roof and the windshield. I'm pretty sure this was a cookout race somehow. So it's a cookout shake on the car. Pretty cool scheme though anyways, so cool to see it get the W. And then the other one that was visible, Parker Kligerman WeatherTech Daytona win in the number 88. Of course, this is Zilisch. Connor Zilisch, his car and everything. Kligerman getting the W with the assist to Zilisch there at Daytona. Pretty cool. Parker Kligerman. Cool that they show credit where credit is due. Next up, Shane Van Gisbergen. This is the WeatherTech number 88 as well, but this is the Watkins Glen win on the Cup side. And I'm sure the 124 will be a beauty because he obviously blew the back tires off this puppy. Defending Watkins Glen winner now and potentially for the rest of until he drives a race car. Just got the win again at the Glen. Dominating fashion, of course. But yeah, as far as a road course race winning goes, maybe all of it happened after the checkered with blowing out all those tires, but this is a pretty cool and detailed and raced car. And I'm sure, like I said, the 124 probably shows a crap ton more of that detail. Next up, now this is Connor Zilisch, for sure. Connor Zilisch, number 88 WeatherTech. This is the Rookie of the Year special edition here. So, just the Rookie of the Year. And then look at all those win stickers. All 55 of them there. For Zilisch. Promising young guy. Couldn't secure the championship last year for the Xfinity Series, but he's full-time on Sundays now, so he's got big things coming to him. Next, we got a truck. Josh Bilicki, number 41 for Nice Motorsports. Circle B Diecast 2025 truck. Shout out Circle B Diecast. Basically where I get all these from. To those that ask sometimes, I get comments, where do I get all these from? Circle B Diecast is the answer. And they're always real quick with shipping and real quick with processing everything. So, there you go. Truck. Then next up, let's see what I got. We got a 2026 here. This is the Kyle Larson, number 5. HendrickCars.com. So, usually I don't get this car because it's the exact same every year, but I decided this year, since it's the new body, I'll go ahead and get it. I'll go ahead and get as many Chevys as I can get. So that's why this Larson is added to the collection. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Then there's one more in here. I'm going to keep the Larson out because packing peanut on top there. William Byron's Liberty University, number 24 for 2026. Same deal. This scheme, could not tell you if it's the exact same as it has been the last few years. It might be a touch different. But, again, pretty cool. All the Hendrick cars have came out lately. Well, most of them. We got Elliott's Prime, Bowman's primary ally scheme in the last unboxing. Check that one out. Then now we got the Larson 5 and the Liberty 24. So there's those two. Then we'll bring back in the rest. Got a Zilisch race winner there. Got a Zilisch Rookie of the Year. Got a SVG WeatherTech. Got a truck. Pretty cool to get a truck. And then we got this Austin Dillon and his annual Richmond win whenever they go to Richmond. So pretty cool unboxing here. We got some of everything. We got some Xfinity. We got some race winning Xfinity. We got Cup Series wins. We got 2025, 2026. We got a truck. But that'll about wrap this one up. As always, like this video. Leave a comment on which car or truck from this video you like the best. And subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. Catch you in the next one.